Electrical system. In facilities management, an electrical system refers to the network of electrical components, equipment, and infrastructure within a facility. Encompasses all the electrical installation and system that are necessary for the safe and efficient distribution and use of electricity within the building. Managing the electrical system is crucial for ensuring the functionality, reliability, and safety of the facility. Here are some key aspects of an electrical system in facilities management. Power distribution. The electrical system includes the distribution of electrical power from the main supply to various areas of the facility. This involves the use of electrical panels, circuit breakers, transformers, and distribution boards to control and distribute electricity to different sections and circuits. Lighting systems. The electrical system includes the installation and management of lighting systems throughout the facility. This encompasses fixtures, bulbs, glass, switches, and controls for general lighting, emergency lighting, outdoor lighting, and specialized lighting requirements. Power outlets and receptacles. The electrical system involves the installation and maintenance of power outlets, receptacles, and sockets throughout the facility. These are used for connecting the electrical devices, equipment, and appliances. Wiring and cabling. The electrical system includes the wiring and cabling infrastructure that connects electrical devices, outlets, fixtures within the facility. This encompasses the installation, routing, and management of electrical wires, cables, conduits, and raceways. Electrical safety system. Managing the electrical system involves implementing and maintaining electrical safety systems to protect occupants and property. This includes ground fault circuit interrupters, surge protectors, lightning protector systems, and other safety measures to prevent electrical hazards. Backup power systems. In facilities management, electrical systems may incorporate a backup power system, such as generators or uninterruptible power supply systems, to provide electricity during power outages or emergencies. These systems ensure critical functions can continue even during disruptions in the main power supply. Energy management. The electrical system plays a role in energy management within the facility. This involves monitoring energy consumption, implementing energy efficient lighting and control system, optimizing power usage to reduce energy costs and promote sustainability. Maintenance and repairs. Facilities management includes the regular inspections, maintenance, and repair of electrical components and systems to ensure they are functioning safely and efficiently. This may involve tasks such as testing, replacing fault components, cleaning electrical panels, and addressing electrical system deficiencies.